Hi Discovery Center friends! Today I woke up and I was feeling a little bit curious and wanted to find out about some things. Somebody who's curious and wants to learn more about things is sometimes called a scientist. So today we're going to do a science experiment with some stuff you might already have in your house. Okay, so things you're going to need: some baking soda, some plain white vinegar, and a turkey baster, or some pipettes, or if you don't have those, you could just use a spoon, and then some food coloring. Okay, are you ready to see what happens? First, we're gonna take the baking soda and put it in a pan. Ready? Spread it out. Make a little pile. See how I made a little hill? You press it all down. Ooh, feels nice and soft. And then next, you take your turkey baster or your pipette or your spoon, whatever it is you have at home, and fill it up. Ready? So I have this all full of the vinegar. Now let's see what happens. Can you hear that? It's sizzling. It's making like a volcano. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. And after that, let's see what happens if we add some food coloring. Are you ready? And then we'll add a little bit more. You can add as many colors as you want. Let's see, should we add some blue? Here's the blue. Let's see what happens when we add blue. And then add a little bit more. The blue and the red aren't mixing together yet. Now it's starting to make a purple color. You might not be able to hear it on the video, but it's making a sizzling, hissing noise. And this is a great way to keep kids entertained on a day when you can't go outside. Thanks for watching, Discovery Center friends. Bye-bye.